Hey everyone, Dustin from Racks for Cars, and today we're showing you the new Thule WingBar Evos. The WingBar Evos replace the Thule Aeroblade bars and are available in silver or in black. They are designed with a box beam construction, so they have great strength but maintain an aerodynamic look, as well as they reduce drag and, as a result, wind noise that can be caused by some roof racks. The WingBar Evos come in 4 different lengths: the 108 centimeters, which is 43 inches, 118 centimeters, or 47 inches, 135 centimeters, or 53 inches, and 150 centimeters, or 60 inches. The wing bars are compatible with the new Evo clamp foot pack, the Evo raised rail foot pack, the 460R rapid podium foot pack, and any of the rain gutter towers which fit to the bottom channel of a bar. You can also use the WingBar Evos on older foot packs from Thule, such as the 480R or the 450R. The WingBar Evo, the biggest upgrade compared to a Thule Aeroblade bar, is the new rubberized slotted channel. One of the biggest complaints on the Thule Aeroblade bars was that you had to cut the rubber strip when installing channel mount accessories. With the WingBar Evo, Thule has removed that ability, and you no longer have to cut the strip to install your accessories. Here we have a T-bolt that is common on a Thule accessory such as the Upride or some of their water sports carriers. The end of the WingBar Evos have an end cap which flips open, and then there's a slot in the rubber strip that allow you to simply slide the T-bolt in and position your accessories. When you're done using the accessory, you can simply slide out the T-bolt and then just smooth out the rubber strip. This takes away from chunks missing on the strip and adds to the aerodynamics of the roof rack. On the underside of the WingBar Evos is a slot on the bar which the foot pack will attach into. In the box for the wing bars will be this plastic slider that has numbers on the bottom of it. You'll first install this strip into the bar prior to the foot pack, and you'll position the foot pack according to the instructions contained in the fit kit. Also in the box will be a smaller rubber strip that will be used to fill the remainder of this channel once the foot pack has been set. To learn more about the Thule WingBar Evos, you can visit either of our 2 Edmonton store locations, or you can visit us online at RacksForCars.com.